What's up, everybody? Back with the first repot of the year for me. Take a look at one of these 2-year-old black ponds have been growing. I'm gonna make a little hook first for my anchor in the pot. Got these colanders from Restaurant Supply, some type of name like that. They were like $1 a piece. Shipping was about the same amount as I paid for all the colanders. I swear they always get you on shipping on cheap items. You only need one little anchor. Just needed to hold it in the pot a little bit, protect it from the wind till the roots can hold it in. Using my regular bonsai soil from Bonsai Jack. It's a universal inorganic mix. Little disinfectant. I'm gonna be cutting on the roots, so don't want to give them any sicknesses. Wanted to make quite a few exposed root ponds. Won't really know what the roots look like though until I check them out. Have to decide how to proceed on a case-by-case basis. Look at all that mycorrhiza. I didn't know it was really happy. I've been feeding just Peter's 20-20-20 and Recharge. I think it's Real Growers Recharge. It's a nice amendment. Apparently the plants like it. Taking advantage of them being young, you can do a lot of root work and set it up for later on. Because once they're a lot older, you can't bare root it like this. So I'm cut all these big roots back, cut them back a lot. Little roots, just a little bit. Pretty much hack all the roots off. And there's a nice radial root base, try to enhance it. Any problems, big crossing roots or whatever, just want to Get them all combed out and sorted. See what you're working with. Mycorrhiza was just off the charts. Look at this. This is a seedling cutting, but as you can see, there's no guarantee you're going to get a nice circular root base. There's only 2 main roots. Roots don't start spreading until they get a little lower on these 2. So I wire the trunk. I'm gonna mush those 2 big roots together. They'll just be part of the trunk movement. Get them twisted just a little bit. They'll thicken up a lot right with the trunk. And they'll just end up being part of it. Pretty sure this is a 3mm wire. I thought it was too thick. Should use 2.5 or even 2 and just made tighter coils. Felt like I struggled just a little too much with my fingertips. Needles are always in the way. I try not to smash all the needles down. If I had 100 to repot, I definitely wouldn't worry about it. But I got a whole 15 minutes, so I got it wrapped down low enough so I can squeeze those 2 roots together. It'll just be part of the main trunk, lower trunk. For the time being. More roots might pop out of that area, but you know, there we go. So I kind of twisted them together. Try to avoid hitting the small buds along the lower trunk also. We need all the low buds later on for maybe first branches or mid sections of a small trunk. Yeah, I threw a bunch of the mycorrhiza back in. Help populate the pot quicker. And simple tie down. Maybe not so simple. I don't have to worry about hurting those little roots. And it's still tied down. And throw a little bit more in there. I'll fill the rest up. And poke the soil a little bit. Make sure the roots are pointing downwards. And give it a water. Should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and water with recharge for this first one. Just to do it, I guess. Forecast is pretty hot this week. Looks like we're gonna be averaging in the 70s, so probably start watering twice a day already. Twice a day, every day, or every other day. It's really easy to make tie downs with the colanders. Plenty of holes to choose from. And even easier tying it to these fence tables. Very handy. See, I busted a couple needles. Not too bad. One down, quite a few more to go. Got these nice little buds. Very important for my small tree growing. And watered and ready to go. All right, I'm out of here.